everyone, welcome to your Inference lesson walkthrough. So this is just here to give you a little bit of an understanding of what it is you're doing. So your Inference lesson is a Google Cloud assignment, which means that it will make a copy for you. Okay, and this copy that you see on your screen will be your copy. I believe there should be a submit button right here instead. So all you have to do is complete your work within your copy, and of course you can open it in a new tab, whatever it is you need to do, but make sure that you are working in your copy and don't make an extra copy, because when you hit submit, what I see is the one that's on this screen right here. So let's go ahead and let's look at it real quick. So your Inference lesson focuses in on our essential question, which we talked about in our walkthrough. How does a reader use evidence from a text to make logical inferences? Okay, so if we go through here, there are some basic instructions. Obviously, the instructions are always highlighted green. That has not changed for us. And then questions that you will have to answer will be in purple. Okay, so the instructions clearly just say, use the linked article in a new slide, in the next slide, and follow the instructions on each slide to complete the lesson on inferences and textual evidence. So you will use the same article pretty much throughout the lesson. So I can go ahead and tell you, and I'll reiterate again, if your article is not turned in correctly, the best you can make on this lesson is a 50. It is the bulk of the work is within that article. Like, you have to have it, okay? As always, there are videos, helpful videos linked in throughout, and some assignments require you to submit shareable links. So submission boxes are yellow, instructions are green, and questions will be purple. So this is not new to us. You'll notice that some slides are purple. Those slides are just, more than likely, they have really important things on them. So here's our first thing. So you're going to create your own copy of the Cowboy Pigeon article. As always, when you click this, it will force you to make your own copy. If for some reason it does not force you to make a copy, please make a copy. And then make sure your link is set to anyone in Pitt County schools can view. Points will be deducted for unshared documents, and you will also receive a 50 if you do not share your article at all. So when I say unshared, I mean like as in I have to request access. But if you don't have anything in this box, you can only get a 50. All right, so using the annotations, so you're going to have to do some annotations within your document, and we'll talk about that in the video that goes with it. Use the annotations to help you answer the questions. There will be a video linked in right here, and I will show you how to answer this one. So this is like an example freebie, and then there are 2 multiple choice that you have to do by yourself. So you can see that this is all pretty straightforward. There's a graphic organizer you have to complete, and I will go over exactly how to do that. Same thing again. Points will be deducted for unshared or improperly shared graphic organizers, and know that we will be doing some of this in class. Okay, and then of course we're going to be working on our graphic organizer. So this one is a vocabulary focus. Okay, this one you're going to have to do by yourself. Yeah, then you're going to support an inference with some evidence. So I give you the instructions. Same thing again, and then you rank it. So the score thing we're used to, so I put that here. There will also be a video as well as the criteria. You must view these 2 things. Okay, you have to view these videos. And then of course here's our last part where you're going to justify it. So you can see that we're going to work through all of our learning targets in this one lesson. It is very critical that you use the videos or that you come to class. Very important. Use the videos, come to class.